MNBT Landing Zone.
The friendly farm and woods. The rooster, the wake-up call. Good morning, everyone. I'm the rooster. My job is to wake up the whole farm when the sun comes up. Ready? Here goes. The horse, the fast runner. Hi there, I'm a horse. I love to run fast across the green fields. Can you hear my hooves? Clop, clop, clop. And listen to my happy shout. The duck, the swimmer. Hello, I'm a duck. I love to swim in the cool water and shake my tail feathers. Want to hear me talk? The sheep, the fluffy one. I'm a sheep. My wool is super soft and keeps people warm. I'm very gentle. Listen to my song. The owl, the night watchman. Hello, I am the owl. I stay awake at night while you are fast asleep. I have big eyes to see in the dark.
Subscribe for more fun. See you at next time. Bye-bye.